Hello friends, welcome back. In the last video, we finished our first two buttons, the sliding gradient glow and the outline expanding glow. Today we are going to create our third button, which is a line glow border vibe button. This button will have a neat animation where a colored line fills the button from left to right when we hover over it, giving it a modern glowing effect. I already have the HTML ready with a button and a span inside for the text. So now we will focus on the CSS styling. Let's start styling BTN3. First, I am setting position relative because we will use a pseudo element for the animated glow inside the button. Next, I am adding padding 14 pixel, 46 pixel. So give some space inside the button. Then font size 1.1 rem to make the text readable. I'm setting the text color to where C3, which is our neon green color. I'm giving it a 2 pixel solid border with the same green color. The background stays transparent so that the glow animation will slow clearly on hover. I'm slightly rounding the corners with border radius 8 pixel and also adding cursor pointer to make it clickable. I'm also adding a transition color 0.3 second S, box shadow 0.3 second S so that the text color and glow animate smoothly and overflow will be hidden so the pseudo element animation stays contained inside the button. Now let's create the glowing line using the before pseudo element. I read BTN3 before and set content because pseudo element need content position absolute, so to place it inside the button and top 0 left 0, so it starts from the left side. I set width 0% and height will be 100%, so it's hidden initially and will expand horizontally on hover. The background is set to width C3, so the glow color matches our button theme. Z index will be 0, keeps it behind the text, and transition will be width 0.4 second is make it expand smoothly. Now for the text inside the button, I make sure it stays above the glow by setting the span to position relative and Z index will be 1. On hover, I change the text color to dark so it stands our against the glowing background. I also add a glowing box shadow with the green color to make the button pop. Finally, in BTN3 hover before, I expand the width from 0% to 100% so the green line smoothly wipes across the button. And that's it, our third button with the line glow border wipe effect is ready. It looks modern, interactive, and really eye catching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more coding tutorials. Happy coding!